But this case is a very relatively simple case. This is a pre-restorative case. We're going to redistribute some spaces. We're going to move the lower anteriors back and close the spaces there. And she's going to have some restorations by the dentist. Not an overly complicated case, but sometimes with aligners, a case that we can get stuck on. And we can have little things that aren't perfect, and then we can go back and refinement. And a case that we thought was going to take 9 months ends up taking 12, 14 months. Not to mention the patient compliance component, which is sometimes a thing. So this is the actual setup that we did. You can see there's nothing earth-shattering here. Now, our initial setup was only to 11 aligners. And I know that's a foreign concept, so again, we're going to go through that together. But our initial setup was only to the first 11 aligners. So this is how we set up that case. You can see on the lower laterals, we move those down. And then the last 3 aligners, that is what I call a chairside refinement, meaning that when we saw them after their 11th aligner, they needed additional movements. Those canines needed to come back more, and the lower laterals on the bottom needed to intrude more. And so instead of re-scanning the patient and starting all of these forces all over, the teeth have already responded to the forces that we placed in the initial design. Now we're increasing those forces and we're continuing to move forward. And these adjustments and setups are done chairside, just like a wire detail. So we move forward. Let's take a look. This is after those alignment had taken place. We can see the redistribution of the spaces. She went to her dentist. She got her veneers done. And in 7 months, we're completely done with this case.